Hi, now I'll be going over the License Servers widget, which can be found at Start, Widgets, License Servers. This screen essentially tells you what's going on with all your license servers in one place. You can have your FlexLM, RLM, DSLS, all different types, all different vendors, just in one place. You can see the quantity and the amount of used licenses. For example, Autodesk here has 25 licenses in total and 22 users right now. So if I click on the users themselves, I get their session details, their currently consumed license screen, and I see everything that I need to know, their username, what feature they're using, when they started, what's the session duration, and so on. If I click on the quantity, I'm able to see all the different features, their quantity, and how much is actually being used right now. I can click here to see procurement, and I'll be able to see everything about the license itself, when it expired, when it started, the name of it, quantity of it, and so on. I can show it per feature or just per server. One more thing that it can do, this screen enables you to remotely control the license manager. So the start, stop, reread, and remove options are going to the license manager itself. It starts, stops, and rereads the license file on the license manager. You're also able to see all the files there and upload new license files. The red lines on the top show you servers which are trying to connect to OpenLM server but are not configured in OpenLM server. You can either ignore them or you can approve them to add them to the list.